Greetings, my fellow sci-fighters. This is I Super Sci-Fi Dude, and today I'm doing a Sonic waifu tier list that I marry, date, befriend, and that aren't my type. But for this to make more sense and be less sketch, I'm going at this at the perspective of if they're an anthro character, I'm dating them as an anthro, dating or marrying them as an anthro character. If they're human, I'm a human. Okay? So that way it would make more sense in that context. So let's just get started. First off, we have Shade. I'm pretty sure she's from that one not so great DS game. And was really a part of the whole King Penders freaking trauma thing. But outside of all that, she looks cool. She seems pretty cool. I'm pretty sure she starts out as a villain but goes good. So I guess I'm at least gonna give her a date. Let's see. That is, isn't it Nicole? Sally's computer character thing. She seems rather handy. She's knowledgeable. Uh, she's very smart. I guess that'll be the first Mary. Now I have no clue who this rabbit character is, so I guess at least a date to get to know them better. Also not sure who this black cat character is, but they look kinda cool. So here's another date. I know this one, Honey the cat. Again, from what I've seen, she seems pretty neat. I saw her in some of the comic panels I made AI dubs of. Sorry for all the noise. That's my dog. He has real issues with stuff. But anyway, I don't know. I think I'll just befriend her. She doesn't seem to be fully my type, but she's not atrocious to the point where I wouldn't hang out with her. I have no clue who this character is. But she seems cool. Seems like a rough and tough kind of gal. Guess I did to get to know them better. Don't really know this character, but she seems neat. So I guess that ain't. This character looks a little intimidating for a date, so befriend. Also, this one's a befriend. I don't know the name of the sheep character. I know she's from the new comics, but I'll give her a date. Now this morning, Echidna looks like another one I'd at least date. Female version of SBO. Don't really know what her whole deal is, but she seems fun. So I'm gonna at least befriend that one. Befriend this character from Shuffle. This wolf character has been doing one of those tribe people from the Saturday morning cartoon, but comic book guys, right? So I'm gonna go with. She seems less intimidating than the one lady with the sword, so I'm gonna give her at least a date. Not sure who this next character is. So, at least a date. Bonnie Rabot. Now, I know enough of her like personality from the Saturday morning cartoon to say that she's cool. She's the real southern girl. She's able to throw hands very well, and she's pretty strong. But she's also really sweet and kind and all that. So, this should be another Mary. Okay, now Marine is just getting a friend because like she is way too young. Don't know who this good character is, and they don't really seem my type. This is the evil Sally from the other dimension. So, I don't know. Guess it really depends on how evil she is. I guess I'll at least date her once just to see how bad she is. But if she's like really bad, then it's a no for me, Chief. I'm guessing this is Sally's mom or something. So she seems nice. She seems confused or something, but I'll at least give her a date. Amy Rose, most I can give her is a date, but like she'd most likely be more of a friend. But I'll be nice and give her a date. Not sure who this character is, but I'd probably at least be friends with her. Not sure who this other character is, but I guess maybe date. Okay, this puppet girl from the new comics also just a befriend. Sonic's mom. If she wasn't married to Gerald, yeah, at least a date. Plays a cat, at least a date. Don't really know who this is. It looks more like a character I'd more likely befriend. This is with me that one chick from the Adventures of Sonic the Hedgehog, but like toned down, and I think she tried to make her life something better than she started with. I don't know if she's actually evil or anything, but I'd at least date her. I'm pretty sure she's technically also somewhat of a robot, but I don't know. Is multi-handed ninja a friend? So wait, are there two Bonnie robots? By the way, I guess they're both in the same tier. Have no clue who a bunch of these next ones are. But they look more like I'd befriend them than date them or marry them. So, also befriend, befriend. Pretty sure I just would befriend this Dulcie character. Friend whoever this is. This one definitely looks more like a friend. And this lady looks like she's evil. I date her once and see how bad she is. I think this is that Julie Sue character. So, I mean, she seems pretty cool. I'd probably at least give her a date. Not sure who this next one is, but she looks like someone I need to date. Next two, they'll look more like friends. Not sure the name of this one, but date at least. Maria's a befriend. You guys are probably gonna judge me a lot for this one. I know Elise gets kidnapped a lot. I know she's weird, and she kissed basically a dead animal. But I don't know, if you took all that away from her and just kind of get like the rest of her character, I'd probably marry her. Is this another pick of Sally's mom? Oh, sure isn't they? But I'm gonna at least give her a date. Molly Mongoose, or whatever her name was. Date. This one's a befriend. Weirdly, this one, I don't know the name or anything, or who it's meant to be exactly. And then possibly another Sally. But, like, she looks like a gal I'd marry. Sally, her personality. Also marry Rouge. Yeah. Oh, oops, sorry, wrong picture. Rouge. Yeah. Sonia. Let's date.